Hello students, good day to you all. I am your teacher Christina Danish from St. John's High School, and today I will teach you the lesson Our Country of Social Science for class 2. So let's start from the outline of the topic. We will study about these topics. Number 1, Pakistan, then founder of Pakistan and flag of Pakistan, capital of Pakistan, then culture and provinces, famous places, rivers, plains, mountains and desert. So let's start from Pakistan. Pakistan is an Islamic country. It is officially called the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It got independence on 14th August 1947. The name Pakistan means land of pure. Pakistan was established in 1947 by the great services of the founder, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Here, the largest city of Pakistan is Karachi, and Islamabad is the capital of the Pakistan. It is our country's flag and also the symbol of the country. Its color is green and white and has crescent and star on it. Yes students, how many provinces are there in Pakistan? Yes, there are 5 provinces in Pakistan: Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Gilgit-Baltistan. And these are the famous cities of Pakistan: Karachi, Lahore, Quetta, Peshawar, Skardu. Now look at this map of Pakistan provinces. Here it is divided into 5 regions. These are called provinces. Look at here: Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Gilgit-Baltistan. And the city Karachi is located in Sindh. Quetta is in Balochistan. Peshawar is located in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Skardu is in Gilgit-Baltistan. So these are the provinces of Pakistan. Okay students, here are the famous places of Pakistan. Here Punjab. Punjab has Badshahi Mosque because of historical place. In Sindh, the tomb of Quaid-e-Azam is famous place. Khyber Pass is famous in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Here in Balochistan, the resort of Ziyarat is very famous for Quaid-e-Azam's residency. In Gilgit-Baltistan, valleys and mountains are famous for visit. So these are the famous places of Pakistan. Children, the national language is Urdu. Every single province has its own kind of dresses. As you can see in this picture: Sindhi, Punjabi, Balochi and so on. Mango. Mango is the national fruit of Pakistan. Hockey. Hockey is the national sport of Pakistan. This is our currency in rupee. These are the national dishes of Pakistan. Yes, children. What are rivers? River forms when snow melts on the mountain. The most famous and the longest river is River Indus. It has 5 branches, as you can see in this map. River Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Beas. Children, we have Arabian Sea near Karachi and the beautiful beaches to visit known as Seaview at Clifton, Hawke's Bay and Sandspit. As you all know, our homeland Pakistan is very beautiful country. Here I will show some geographical areas of Pakistan. So number 1 is plains. Look at this picture of plain. What are plains? The plains are large area of land farm. It is fertile and good for plantation. Number 2 is mountains and hills. Students, in between these physical features, there is a difference. Mountains are higher than 600 meters and those are less than 600 meters are called hills. Hope you all have understood the difference between mountains and hills. Here K2 is the example of mountain in Pakistan. It is the highest peak, as you can see in this picture. Desert. This is a desert. It means the place where we do not get much rain and water. Desert is very hot and dry area. Pakistan has 5 major deserts and Thar is one of the most common desert. Yes children, we all are proud to be Pakistani. Now come to your home task. Question number 1 is, what is the full name of our country? Number 2, write the name of the 5 provinces of Pakistan. Number 3, write the name of capital city of the Pakistan. Number 4, color the maps. Number 1, map of Pakistan with provinces. Number 2, map with rivers. Number 3, flag of Pakistan. Do all homework in your social science copy and submit it in school office on every Thursday with your class and name written on it. In the end, students, I advise you that wash your hands frequently, stay home and be safe. God bless you. Thank you.